Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to get free things on Aliexpress. So for this we pretty much just need to use a free gift button. So as you can see on the very top next to the categories to the right we have free gift. So click on it, we'll be redirected and taken to this page, and as you can see I have 2 free items and also extra benefit, free shipping. So how this works guys, so you pretty much need to buy a certain item. You can, for example, do this in a way to just buy something that's not expensive, right? Just, find something like a phone case maybe, or some cards, or just anything, any item that has a low price. You buy it, and then along with that purchase that you make, you can also claim your free gift right over here, all right? So you just pick, for example, a free gift. So let me just pick something. Let's say this card reader, for example. You pick it, then you press on pick once again. All right, as you can see, it's free. And now, guys, to check out, you need to complete your item selection to check out. So you just need to pretty much go ahead back into your home page, find something that you want to buy. Say this, for example, right? You go here, and then you buy this, and along with this purchase, you will get that free gift of yours. Pretty simple. Enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. See you next time.